Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by gathering your scenic, the new SIM with your desired number, and the Jazzcash app installed. Make sure the SIM is active and registered in your name. Set aside 5 minutes for the process so you do not rush. Keep device battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Open the Jazzcash app and log in with your existing PIN or biometric method. Expect to receive a 4-digit OTP on the new number for verification. Open the Jazzcash app and tap Settings, then tap Profile and choose Update Mobile Number. Enter the new number exactly as shown on your active SIM and confirm. The app will send a 4-digit OTP to that new number for immediate verification. Type the OTP within 2 minutes to complete the step. If the app requests scenic information, enter it exactly as on your card. Allow up to 24 hours for back-end verification to finalize the change. After the app confirms the mobile change, perform a small test transfer of RS10 to your new number or from another account. Check that SMS and app notifications appear on the new SIM immediately. Update any auto-pay, bank links, and services that use the old Jazzcash number. Remove the old number from saved contacts to avoid confusion. If anything fails, contact Jazzcash 24/7 support for assistance and keep.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.